Understanding, come to mind. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, come to mind. This is a common expression in English, often used in daily conversations. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and provide examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your own conversations. Come to mind is a phrase that refers to a thought or idea suddenly occurring in someone's mind without much effort. It's like when something pops into your head unexpectedly. This phrase is often used when someone is trying to recall information or when asked for spontaneous opinions or ideas. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Let's look at some examples. 1. In conversations, what comes to mind when you think of summer? Here, the phrase is used to ask for immediate thoughts or associations. 2. In brainstorming sessions, let's list out whatever comes to mind. In this scenario, it encourages free-flowing ideas without overthinking. There are a few variations of this phrase that are also widely used. Spring to mind. This has a similar meaning but suggests a quicker or more immediate thought. Bring to mind. This variation is often used when something reminds you of something else. To better understand this phrase, let's do a few exercises. 1. Think of a movie and describe what comes to mind when you hear its title. 2. Share a memory that springs to mind when you think of your favorite holiday. And that's a wrap on Come to Mind. I hope this video helps clarify how and when to use this phrase. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing, so try using it in your next English conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.